Turn this into this. I'm the Great British Chocolatier and you're watching Chocolate Plus. It's starting to chocolate. Hello and welcome to Chocolate Plus. My name is Mark, aka the Great British Chocolatier, and today we're going to be making some Oreo bark with mint flavoured Oreos, and we're even going to put some mint in our chocolate because, as you may or may not know, it is St. Patrick's Day on the 17th of March in a week or so, and they like peppermint. And so we're going to make some peppermint bark, real simple. All you need is 12 ounces, I think this is 12 ounces of chocolate, whatever, a bag of chocolate, that's all you need. You throw them in here. This is confectionery compound chocolate, but they take out the cocoa butter, add in veggie oil, so there's no tempering. So we're going to be making this in the microwave. 30 seconds, you know, stirring in between each time. So I have some peppermint oil here. Don't know if you can see that. This is and oils, peppermint. You're gonna need, like, I usually just use a capful. I just pour it in the cap and pour it in the chocolate. You can of course buy mint chocolate. That'd be simple and easy too. But I couldn't find it, so I bought that. Also I've got some M&Ms which we're gonna decorate on top. I should slow down. Okay, first round, not a lot of melting going on, but you want to stir it around, because stirring around distributes the heat, prevents hot spots. Going in, 1, 2, 3, round 2, 30 seconds. And we're going to be breaking up some Oreos. Now, I just say M&Ms. I tried to find green M&Ms, but I couldn't find them. So I'm going to pull some out of here. I've got some multi-greeny coloured nonpareil 100 billion, zillion and thousands, whatever those things are called. And we got our Oreos. And I got them because of the green. Now I would ordinarily like to have had some green chocolate, but I didn't go to the store and I couldn't find any in my supply. So round 2, a whole lot more melting going on. Again, stir it real good, distribute that heat, and then throw it back in the microwave. For the third and final round, if stuff gets stuck to your spoon and or fork, don't worry about it. It will come off in the final melt. So I wouldn't stress about that. So I thought about it, I should have had a secondary chocolate, a white chocolate, which I don't have. So I'm gonna go check, because we could do a second layer on top. But I really wanted to find green chocolate because St. Patrick's and green are kind of go hand in hand. But I don't have it, so I've got to use what I've got. Alright, round 2. We've got a nice melt here. I mean, look at that. So do it this way. And that's what you want, that nice smooth consistency that it's all melted. Again, stir, 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 stir. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to break. I mean, look at this. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Take this off. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to break some up and put some into the chocolate. Like so. And all I'm doing is breaking it up into 4s or whatever. So you want like a 1/4 or that much. And I'm not going to put too many. And I can already smell the mint. Because the reason why I'm not going to put too much Oreos in here, because I want to have that green colour displaying. So all we're doing is just pouring this out onto the tray, and we're going to take all of it out like so. And if I have a spatula somewhere, it is. The spatula just to scrape off its entire contents. Like so. Alright, that's good. And so this is why, another reason why I wear gloves is because now we're going to start using our hands. And we're just going to, and you can use the back of a spoon if you want, but we're just going to space it out on our baking sheet here. And like so. And you want to, don't want it too thick, but you also don't want it too thin, since I'm not adding another layer. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to add the peppermint oil in the chocolate. So, I don't know, so let's do a little bit there. And so now I'm just going to mix it in. So when you do this, you're going to mix it into the bowl. The peppermint gets mixed into the bowl. I can smell the peppermint. So let's get some more Oreos. I should actually change. No, I'm not going to change my glove. So I'm going to just break these in parts, and I really just want the green to show. Because, and I'm making a mess of this and it's not working. Because I have it on my hands, I have the chocolate on my hands, but it's still gonna taste good. And that's, you know, when I say to people, when I make it, I'm not gonna do a redo, because I can't unmelt the chocolate, I can't unbreak the Oreo, and I'm not gonna make another batch just to show a different way. So when you do this, wear a fresh pair of gloves. I just want that green to show through the for the bark. Let me just get. Look, when everything is wrapped up in the chocolate, it kind of seals and preserves everything. So this cookie will get a little bit soft after a few days. So let's not worry about that. So next, we're going to just put some of these hundreds and thousands and zillions on it because it's green. You want to do this while it's wet so that they sink in, and then as everything falls down. Does this guy knows what you're doing? Yes, he does. Alright, so we've got that. Okay, now our M&Ms. And we only want our green M&Ms. Sprinkle them randomly around. I'm just using green. And so that's what we got there. And so that's what we have. This now goes into the fridge for about 8 to 10 minutes. When that is done, we'll be back. We're gonna break it up. We're gonna eat it, and that's it. That's it. All that what took 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Bye bye. Okay, we are back, and just look at this. Look at all that wonderful, wonderful goodness. On the flip side, obviously it's going to be flat, but this is a picture. So, as you know, what we need now is our famous red plate. Like so. And here comes the fun part where we just break it all up. Smells delicious. I smell the minty chocolate. Put this on the side. And here we are. we have our delicious Mint Oreo Bark for St. Patrick's Day. And as always, we know we're going to give it a taste. The mint is very subtle. And oh, good. Let me try a piece with the actual Oreo in it, because I want to taste the. Well, look. Now I ate 2 pieces, but if you don't buy the mint chocolate, you have to buy the peppermint oil. It has to be oil to work in the chocolate, and you mix it before we place it down on the tray, unlike what I did, and I just wasn't thinking. But there we go. We have an Irish peppermint bark here, Mint Oreo Bark, Mint Oreo Chocolate Bark. There we go. Took 5 minutes to do. I know this video is a bit longer, but once you melt the chocolate, break up the Oreos, the time it's gonna be in the refrigerator, and then you take it out. 10 minutes in the refrigerator, break it up, eat and serve. Now, because you have open Oreo here, you want to store this in a Tupperware so it keeps the air out and so that the Oreo doesn't get soft. But these are ready to eat, so make them before a party. It's St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, a day before my wife's birthday. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to chocolatize that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, which will let you know every time a new video has been uploaded. And there's a new feature, the hype. Hype the video so more eyes can see it. But thank you for watching. Have a great day. Till next time. Bye-bye.